Most people take one look at this machine and completely underestimate it. But the TYPHON STOMP V900 is about to change how you think about power. Standing at just 35.9 inches wide, with a 1.4-ton operating weight and the powerful Kubota D1105 engine delivering 25 horsepower, it slips into tight job sites where full-size loaders can't even fit. Armed with a 5.3 cubic foot bucket that's 40.2 inches wide and over 1,200 pounds of breakout force, it lifts its 1,014-pound rated load effortlessly, reaching a max loading height of 6.6 feet, max dumping height of 5.6 feet, and max operating height of 9.4 feet. Watch it handle dirt, gravel, and debris like it was born for this. It travels at 0 to 2.5 miles per hour, conquers 25-degree climbs with a strong 39-degree departure angle, carries up to 1,102 pounds, and those aggressive tracks grip through mud, sand, or rough terrain. Available in bold red, bright yellow, or pro blue, this machine is as tough as it looks. With an 8.7-gallon fuel tank, 8.7-gallon hydraulic oil tank, 12.7 GPM working pump flow, and 74.8 cubic inch displacement, it transforms messy job sites in minutes. Perfect ground clearance and built to replace entire crews on small to medium projects.
The TYPHON STOMP V900 proves that real power comes in smart packages. Drop your toughest job in the comments. Are you ready to put one to work?